Today, I'm going to show you how to install SmartPSS on your computer. First, open the internet browser of your choice and navigate to www.camexcctv.com. Once you're on the Camex page, go to the Support tab and click Downloads from the drop-down. On the Downloads page, go to the Software section and click General SmartPSS PC version. This should open a Dropbox page. On this page, click Download. The SmartPSS installer should now be downloading. This may take several minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection, so please be patient. Once the installer is done downloading, run the installer. Follow the prompts that appear on the installer screen. First, accept the End User License Agreement. Then, select the programs you want to install. And finally, select the location you want those folders to be installed in. Then click Install. SmartPSS should now be installing. Once again, this may take several minutes, so please be patient. Once SmartPSS is done installing, double-click on the icon that has appeared on your desktop. The login screen should now appear. Log in and begin monitoring your cameras.